Positive action. Don't get left behind. Please join the line. Action louder than words. Yet we're letting our voices be heard. Promoting positive is on top agenda. For indeed, it is a gesture that should be adopted to the length and breadth of Grenada. Recognizing true beauty that lies deep within. Avoid hurting each other's feelings. Some be contemptuous, vicious, and malicious. Show self-discipline. Restrain from all negative. Mindful that the devil is waiting for you to do some foolish thing. Then constantly laughing. Here goes another thing. So you better take warning. This is what we advocated. Promote positive peer pressure is the answer. All negative behavior that seeks to tarnish our character should be forgotten now and forever. We are not hesitating, we are actively campaigning, vigorously promoting not just a dream but a reality that will ultimately set us free, totally free from all forms of negativity, making society a better place to be. Positive peer pressure is the true answer. Go, spread it all over, both near and far. A word to the wise we are addressing our nation and beyond. Positive peer pressure, road to a brighter future, forward ever.